Graham Outlet, you want trucks? Half-ton F-150, 3/4 ton Chevy crew cab, a few more half-ton F-150s, another 3/4 ton Chevy, Fords, 3/4 ton Chevy, some Dodge, Tacomas, half-ton Chevys, half-ton Dodges, another 3/4 ton Chevy, half-ton Dodge, half-ton Nissan Titan, 3/4 ton Dodge, half-ton Tundra. You want it? More than likely we have it. Gas, diesel, crew cab, doesn't matter. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. You need trucks, come and get trucks. Graham Outlet, where everyone rides.